Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to share Snapcode from Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Snapchat. Now go to your account. Press on My Account. Here you can see the option of Share Snapcode. You just have to press on this to share this. You can copy your link and share it. Also, you can share to your WhatsApp and Instagram. That's it. So this is how to share Snapcode from your Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.